racing, contemplate. Exotic like the Vietnamese, being current stacking, microphone hacking. Itching as you hear the frogs split you cycling. If you can reduce it to the big Donkey Kong pussy is juicing. We all like the midnight train on the track. I hit your sack. Possible size of my verse, I'm smallest. You know vice versa, come tallest. I take a rhyme, hit your ballest. Turntable, cause you know no fight. I'm still able to kick it and break it and then shake it. Oh,
you think the bigger the better, but we got time forever. We ain't no sheep or shepherds, but they are blindly fed up. Don't think the smaller the lesser, the sun is shining clever. We are the panther leopards, about time to make time forever.
Being here not a choice, lot of boys, lot of noise. Just be happy that we brought our toys, not annoyed. Cause now I figure got a voice. Look kid, you not gotta got a Royce. You wanna think big, you oughta think big. You got a big stink, pink rig, bling big. Gold chains, you just another fucking swing kid. Rumble with bumble, you cross speed like Bing did. Bada bing, not a thing is gonna stop us when we gotta sing. A lot of bling on your chest won't protect your neck when we test you. I get to sing and you hear not a thing. Hollering, the bigger the better, the fatter the cheddar. Whatever, I still write with the feather. Titles get severed, spit hurricanes, make you fight with the weather. Puppets united forever.
You think the bigger the better, but we got time forever. We ain't no sheep or shepherds, but they are blindly fed up. Don't think the smaller the lesser, the sun is shining clever. We are the panther leopards, about time to make time forever.